Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna share 5 hacks that I wish I would knew earlier. But these could have saved my time, stress and also my late night panic sessions. Whether you are in school, college or even preparing for any competitive exam, these hacks will change the way you think or even you study. So let's go. So hack number 1 is teach it to learn it. It is super simple but at the same time it is super effective method. In this, if you want to learn any topic or you want to understand any topic, you can just explain it to yourself or to anybody or to anything. It's like to explain it to a wall, a chair or a teddy bear or even if you have a pet any, because that's what I do. I just keep teaching to my dog and he just silently listens to me, and that's the best thing. So this is called as a Feynman technique, where you are explaining or teaching it to yourself in your own words, which is said that your brain processes it much deeply. So try it after every topic and you will remember it better. The second hack is the blurting method. After reading a chapter or watching a lecture, close the book and write down everything you remember. Just make sure if you mix the word or even a sentence, just make sure you don't go and watch it and look into your book and write down it again. So make sure you don't do these things but be honest towards yourself. After that, when you complete the writing and everything, then go back and compare it with your notes or textbook. This helps you to find gap in your memory and fix it fast. It's active recall and self-assessment rolled into one. So hack number 3 is Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a productivity classic for a reason. Here's how it works. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, again study for 25 minutes and again take a 5 minutes break and repeat it for 4 times at least. Then take a longer 20 to 30 minutes break. After that, it keeps you focused and avoids mental burnout. You can ever use app like Forest or Promo Focus for this. This hack helps you to stay focused and to be consistent towards your study. Like you feel like that I'm just studying for so long, I want 5 minutes break or 10 minutes break and stuff like that. But when you apply this technique in your study routine, believe me, you would be able to study for a longer period of time and your parents would think, hey, ये मेरा ही बच्चा नहीं, कैसे पढ़ रहा है इतनी देर तक. So try this technique and you will see the changes in your study routine. So hack number 4 is use active recall, not just highlighting. Now you would be thinking, what is this? Okay, telling. So most students just highlight or reread, but that's passive learning. Instead, use active recall. Now what's this? It is like close your book and ask yourself questions that did I read it properly or not? For that, you can just ask the simple questions to yourself, such as what was the definition of that term that I read right now? Can I solve the problem without any help? Or I remember the topic I just read, or any questions that you feel like asking to yourself just to know that how much you gain the knowledge after reading it. Flashcards, self-quizzes or just explaining in your own words works 10x better for memory. So make sure whatever you read or whatever you are trying to explain yourself, make lots of flashcards for yourself. Make sure that you write lots of questions in that flashcard so that you would able to recognize yourself or you would able to test yourself that how much you have remembered when you have read all these things. So you would get a better idea that where you are, and you do not need to even be dependent on somebody that where I am or where I'm not, anything like that. Then the last one is hack number 5, which says that to study before sleep. Did you know your brain processes information while you sleep? No, right? So that's why I'm telling you.
अच्छा, ठीक है, समझ गया.
So that studying important content right before bed helps with long-term memory. Just review flashcards, notes or key concept for 10 to 15 minutes. No distractions, no phone, nothing. Just read the concepts. You will wake up remembering more than what you have thought. These were the 5 study hacks I wish I knew earlier. Let me know in the comment which one you are going to try first. And if you have a hack that works for you, share it with all of us. Like this video if I helped you, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos every week. Thanks for watching and happy studying. Bye bye.